Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have this '08 Audi TT. It's a 2.0 convertible. Just gonna go over what it takes to change these headlight bulbs. I'm gonna show you with it apart because it seemed pretty difficult for me to. I couldn't even find a diagram on how these things come apart, so this is just your cover. So we got the headlight over here. I got this side together. This is what your bulb's gonna look like. This is your high-low. This one's busted. Still waiting on the correct one. Right here you have this guy, which will clip in right here. It has a little push tab on it. You'll just reach over, push the tab. It'll come. That'll pop up, and then you'll be able to pop this out this way, which will give you access to this bolt here. You'll have to get to these two. These are lower on your light bulbs. These are T30s. You do have one at the top right here. So this one has to come all the way out. These two get loosened up. So what I'll do is I'll show you on this one. Grab my extension. So when you're looking from your top corner, you'll see the edge right here, and you'll basically be going tight down, and you'll loosen it up. Once that's out, you'll be able to unplug the main wiring harness, pull the whole piece out, and then you'll be able to access where your light bulb will be, which is a let me see here, T20. So you have your cap that goes on here, T20, which will reveal these guys that clip in this way, and they hold your bulb in tight to this grounding panel. So you'll just pop these out like that, which will give you access to the plug. You unplug it, and then if you have a busted bulb like that, you just pull it out. The only reason I didn't go through the walkthrough on this is it was easier to show you these different angles to hit to get that out. But yeah, check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and get yourself back on the road. And as always, keep wrenching, guys.